number one thing when you're thinking about lanyards and keys is security. Make sure that whenever you have a lanyard, you're not writing on it the building name or the address. You don't want any specifics, because in the event that you lose the keys, you don't want someone to be able to access that. That's a huge breach. So make sure you're always keeping your keys safe and secure. That's something that people don't often talk about when thinking about janitorial, but it's critical because we have typically a master copy, or we have a key that is going to give them access to rooms where they definitely should not have access to. So what I like to do is I use these lanyards here, and then what you'll notice is that these lanyards come with this retractor here, and also this little device here. You zoom in here, you can see this is a key card holder, which is fantastic. You put it right here, clip that in. If I notice that this starts to get a little breakage or damage, what I do is I replace it, order a pack of 10, and I just keep these handies at all my buildings. So like I said, you want to make sure that you don't put any unique identifiers, but what I do recommend, slipping a business card right into this key card holder. The reason why you're going to do that is in the event the keys get misplaced, lost, anybody that picks them up will then be able to see your company contact information. They'll be able to get a hold of you. So I always tend to have the business cards here with the company phone number and with the email address, so that people know right away, oh, these are a cleaner's keys, let me get in touch with them. It will have the keys for the client, but it will never have unique identifier. Key card snuggles in right here nicely, right next to that business card. So the event you thought, I'll never need to use a business card again, you can repurpose them this way, because I know right now with technology, there's a lot of apps that we can use to share contact information. But if you have a physical business card, which I recommend you do, here's a great place to put them. Another feature, when you do this, you have these metal rings. You're going to want to make sure that you attach any keys relevant to dispensers. This CAT74 is great for Bob Rick dispensers. This is the most popular one that I typically have, but I also recommend buying one of those rings. It's got multiple different types of keys for the various dispensers we use, but you're going to want to go ahead and attach that right onto this retractable lanyard. Perfect. This way, you've got this now looped. Sometimes people wear these around their neck, which is fantastic, but what I prefer to do is go ahead and loop them right into the uniform that I use, which are these overalls. I slip it right through just like that. And then there you go. It's snug. It's always on me. I put it in my pocket. Whenever I need to access anywhere, I've got the reach to do it. Let me show you how I loop that once again. I do this at every building. When I start out, I'm in the parking lot. I've got my keys. I go ahead and I loop them. So I put it right through here, open that up, slip that right through, pull it snug. There you go. This will always be on me. Business card right there. ESNW Cleaning, Seattle, Tacoma area. Check us out. Keep that snug right there. A lot of times for the barcode reader or for the key card access, I like to sneak that right in here. And then all of the ones at this specific building, it's about light switch height. So I'm able to just beep. I don't even have to mess with it. And that's great for when you're carrying, or rather pushing your cart around. You can do that, beep, grab the, and go ahead and exit. But you know, I don't have to pull it out and reach, so it's very effective, very efficient. Go ahead and buy as many of these as possible, honestly, especially if you're getting a lot of buildings. I like to kind of put it out to the universe. I'm gonna get a lot more buildings, so I buy a bunch of packs of these. There you go. So here you go. This is what the packaging looks like. Simple, straightforward. Keep them handy. Get yourself some business cards. Tie them to your person. Make sure they're secure. No unique identifiers for the customer. And there you go. Simple thing, but often overlooked.